Advice of the week from March 6th to March 12th. This week, you need to prioritize those plans that require you to take action and plan ahead the next steps moving forward, as those are the ones that are going to be favored and you will be able to find that balance that it might have been lacking before. The guide for this week is the Sentinel. We may see a stagnant progress moving forward and always having to either take a step back or start all over again. Try not to despair. Even when your progress is small and slow, a good planification will give you the greatest of the results. The path you must follow is the path of the Magnolia. Anticipate the unexpected in order to find a path that is going to help you see your plans from a brand new perspective, not contemplated before.